Hello everyone, welcome to watch the tutorial video for Surveyor. Surveyor supposed input the road design parameter such as horizontal curve, vertical curve, high elevation, and widening. Based on these parameters, it can perform calculation related to road, tunnels, bars, and more. Today we will manually demonstrate how to create a new road in the Surveyor software and set some basic parameters. First, we need to open the Surveyor app and enter the project interface. To select the road and click the new button in the upper right corner. The software will prompt user to enter basic information about the road, such as the road name, station prefix, and the input method for horizontal curves. These basic settings are referred to as road parameters. They are crucial as they determine how the road is calculated. The location of vertical curves. It's important to note that the random change to this parameter are not recommended later. The road name use specific road section as the road name for easy identification. The station prefix software default is K, K-I-L-O-K. Now the key point here is the road must. There are two must for horizontal curves parameters. PI, the point of intersection, must, and the line element must. The PI must requires less parameter input and is simple, but its applicability is limited. The line element must has broad applicability and is suitable for most cases, but the input is a bit cumbersome. The default, before inputting a horizontal curve, you need to select the input must, and it's recommended not to change it later to avoid loss for parameters. Okay. That's all for this video. If it's helpful for you, please follow us. Bye bye.